Our recipe today is one of the softest, moistest, and easiest cake recipes in the world. You will be amazed by its deliciousness and wonderful taste. Welcome, my friends, to a new day and a new video. First of all, I would like to thank you for your interaction and watching the previous videos and sharing them with your friends. Thank you very much. First of all, we prepare a mold and grease it with butter. Then we spray it, sugar, and we distribute it as you saw. We need 6 eggs. Separate the whites from the yolks. Add vanilla and 50 milliliters of cooking oil on top of the yolks. Mix the ingredients together, then add the main ingredient to this recipe, which gives it softness and delicious taste. 300 grams of yogurt, my friends. You will be amazed by the adding yogurt to the cake. This recipe I learned from the Chinese chef whom I told you about in the previous videos, who came and worked with us in my workplace for a short period. After that, we mix the yogurt with the rest of the ingredients. After the process of mixing the ingredients with each other is finished, we add 75 grams of flour to them, and we also add 40 grams of cornstarch. And we go back to mixing again. My friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and like. This helps me grow the channel. After that, we beat the egg whites and add 120 grams of sugar to them in batches. This is very important. My friends, we continue the process of whipping the egg whites with the sugar until the mixture is like a cloud. As I told you, my friends, the Chinese chef told us that this cake is one of the favorite cakes in China, and they are eaten a lot because of its wonderful and delicious taste. Some time ago, I visited China, and it is very beautiful, and its people are wonderful. I enjoyed my visit to this country very much and saw very strange things there. Are you my friends? Did you visit China or not? And what did you see there? Write to me in the comments. After you finish whipping the egg whites, we add a portion of it to the yolk that was mixed with the flour, yogurt, and oil, and we stir until the mixture becomes soft. After that, we add the rest of the egg whites and start stirring from the bottom to the top. As I told you, my friends, in previous videos, this matter is very important so that the air does not come out of the cake. Then we empty the entire mixture into the mold, my friends. I apologize to you. At the beginning of the video, I forgot to mention the size of the mold, which is 20 centimeters. After emptying the mixture in the mold, we bring anything thin and stir. As you can see, then we place the mold in a high bowl and add hot water before the baking stage. As you can see, in the baking stage, we need a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius for 80 minutes. My friends, in the baking stage, please do not open the oven until the baking period is over. The view is very beautiful. The smell is delicious, and the softness of the cake will amaze you, my friend. Or my friend, I will be very happy if you write to me in the comments from which country you watch me. And also write to me your opinions about the recipe, whether positive or negative, and I will be grateful to you. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Write to me also in the comments if you like it or not, my friends. Do not forget to activate the bell to receive all new updates, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. I hope you stay in good health. Thank you for following, and I also wish you a happy day.